Dr. Seth. Can you hear me? Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning. How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
All right. Sorry, a few minutes later, I had to reboot my computer, man. And then Zoom, I don't know what's going on with Zoom, but it takes a long time to get in Zoom lately. It's like kind of crazy. So what you do this past week?
Mostly stayed at home. I had to stay home from my class on Monday, and I went home yesterday early because I was exhausted. I'm still kind of tired.
Okay. You do anything special on the weekend?
No, I can think of.
And
I went to church.
the church.
But
Okay.
it's not really special.
Okay, cool.
But you?
Just been working with some more young people on investing, so that's growing. And then just working on some new material and trying to get ready for some seminars or webinars that we're going to be having shortly. So I'm pretty cool. So what I want to do first is, like I said, I just want to see where we're at again with your stock. So if you can bring that up, that would be cool. So I'd like to just and then like I said, I got to send. I did talk to your mom, and they're going to go ahead and make a deposit for us to look at giving you a mutual fund. So I want to be able to get that done. Really like to get that done before Thanksgiving. So I got to follow back up her. I told her I would remind her to put it in an account, or for your dad to put it in an account, so that we can go ahead and get that done. And then I can't remember. So if you can tell me, do you have a savings account with anyone?
I think I do. You'd have to ask my dad about that.
Okay.
Though.
Yeah, if you can find out who that is, that'd be great. If not, then because I got a tracker, and I'll show you that in a minute. A tracker that's actually showing, are going to keep track of all the stuff that we're doing. That's really, really important in what companies that we're dealing with. And it's a really, really cool track. I shared it with one of my other students the other day, and he's like, wow, this is just unbelievable. The stuff that we're going to be able to do, and then keep track of it. And so that's really, really important. So are you able to log in?
Yeah, I'm logged in.
Okay, I'm going to give you access to the screen so you can bring it up.
See, that makes more sense than I'm going to share my screen.
Yeah. Yeah. I've been working on it. Oh, man.
So that's how it's doing. And I guess I was thinking, wow, that just like skyrocket? And it's like, oh, that's probably the money that was put in.
So yeah, can you make your wait a minute, what is that? It's 70. Is more money in your account? I think there's more money in your account. Okay, so can you make your screen? So wow, she jumped on it. So she's ahead of the game. Okay, so we maybe look open. Can you make your screen a little bit bigger? I'm sorry, it's really small for me to see. Yep. All right, so this is off the chain, man. This is great. That she jumped on this. So so she actually put in looked like she put in an extra $50.
Yeah. I checked in here, it was 50.
So hold on for 1 second. This is just outstanding. man, 'cause I was trying to wait another week before I actually sent the email out or text to say, hey, can you put the extra money in it? But it's great that she went on and did it. She's really excited about what you're doing. So go back up so I can see all your accounts again. Oh yeah, roll that up. I'm sorry. So go back up. And so now, so you got Fidelity, you got Amazon, you got Facebook, you got Alphabet, you got Coca-Cola and Tesla. And so the one that's kind of down is Amazon a little bit.
Well, it's still gone up overall.
Yeah,
Anyway,
that is exciting though. And again, like I said, we're in this for the long run, so but it's good to just keep on looking at it, and seeing where it's going to take us. So one of the things that I am going to do, I'm going to show you this too, is that because you're killing it, I developed another thing that you can put up on your wall. So it's gonna be like keeping track of your investments. So we'll work on that probably at the end of the presentation, because we have to go back into the projector and project everything out, so we can so you can start keeping track of this up on the wall. Scroll down just a little bit, little lower, just a little bit. Yep, there you go. That's good. So we may want to see if, because I'm very curious. So there's maybe several different avenues that we may have to take, depending on what Fidelity is going to allow us to do. For example, for eventually, I want you to get a money market. Like I said, what we got to do is, I call it different steps. So you got your regular account, which you use just for whatever, daily, weekly, monthly stuff that you do. Then we want to have a money market account whereby, you actually, use that for, for emergency, or something maybe not emergency, something that you're planning for to buy. And then we open a certificate of deposit, which is long-term. Like long-term, we could either do a 6-month, a 9-month, a year. They even you can go all the way up to 5 years that you can put a certain amount of money in, but you have to keep that certificate of deposit till that time period comes up. Now you can't take the money out prior to that, but there's a penalty involved. But what they do is they guarantee you on the certificate of deposit, they guarantee you a certain rate. So again, that would be more for long-term, like it be your emergency fund. Because again, it's just good to have all these different habits. Also, just to experience opening and managing all these different accounts, and then like getting the mutual fund. So let's see if it may not be possible, because if not, we may have to use a different platform. So this will give us a good chance to see. Let's go to, let's find mutual funds where we can open a mutual fund account. So you might just go back up to the bar. So your mutual fund, there you go. And so let's do open up account, see what it says.
yeah, I think I have to make one, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do because I'm the only one here. And also, it seems like it usually doesn't want you to do it under 18.
Well, once you open it and you got me, we've been able to do it since we're already in, since you already got an account. So let's try it. So we'll find out. So let's do this. Let's try the Roth IRA. Let's see what it says on the Roth IRA, because that's actually long-term investing. Let's see if it allows us to do anything.
So that's dad's information.
Yeah, we don't want that. So go
I don't
back.
think that's gonna work.
Open up account. Retirement. Well, should allow us to open up. You know what? We may have to go back to the custodian account. So let's go back to look up custodian account. We may have to go that route.
Replace the custodian. I don't remember. Actually, wait, no, I think I remember. Go back here. See all accounts. Custodial account.
Yeah, let's see what that does for us.
Yes, I'll just put this in.
Again, this is a learning part. So we're learning. So if we're needing, we're getting, but it's good for us to try it first.
2009. Yeah, I was definitely born in 2009. Well, I guess I'm gonna unscreen share and try and get a social security number.
Yep.
I think my mom knows where it is, but she's in her room, so I'm gonna go ask her.
Okay, cool.
Or a savings account is with.
John has that somewhere, and I don't know where it is. He's with Ian, and I don't know.
Okay, we can get it later on.
It's
No
something
problem.
that John managed.
Okay. We'll get it later on. Don't worry about it.
Okay, well, I guess I'll click next because the social security number is in.
Okay.
Confirm. I guess that looks right. Confirm my information. Already. Well, I guess I haven't really looked at them that hard, but.
So when you get a chance, bring it back up.
I guess I can start screen sharing again. It doesn't seem like there's
Okay.
anything.
Okay, great. So do you agree? Yeah, so we know that's all yes to all of this that we had before. So it's going to take us to the same process again. So you got to hit all those boxes.
Yeah.
Okay. Fund your
Wouldn't be any of these because I would need to transfer it from the other account. It's not there.
it says we
Yeah, that was all that's been there.
hit trade where are we at?
There's not an account to transfer to. It just seems to not be there. So I think this would be better to set up another time.
No, we got the time. No, since we're here, that's what the class is about. Find your
Mhm.
account. Let's see. First, you need to set up. Because you went too fast. I didn't see what you did before.
Oh, it was like a survey. So I clicked skip on it.
Hit trade. Let's look at trade. Let's see what that says.
Yeah, it's only
Okay.
the up my
Okay, hit
account.
that box. Okay, you see what it says trade, hit mark, hit the down box because allowing you to do EFTs. So up to the next one. Yeah, look. So option, mutual fund. Okay, we can go back up again. I'm gonna see what else it has. Go back up. I'm gonna see the whole box. So they got mutual funds, they got trade, they got options. Keep on going down. Let's scroll on down.
That's the whole list.
That's the whole list. Okay, let's do mutual
Yeah.
fund. Let's do mutual funds.
I wonder what's 5424.
Yeah, that's what you have available. Yeah, because you got the other part, so that's good. So
No,
let's look.
it's no, it's 50. I don't know why it's 54.24. It seems strange. I don't know where the 4.24 came from.
Okay. So let's look up. Let's just look up mutual funds or symbol. Let's see what it has there.
Well, there's a better list for this, I'm pretty
Okay.
sure. I have to remember how to get there. Because there's like the trading place. I mean, I guess when we went here, it wouldn't take us there. If that's really gonna be, oh, wait, accounts and trade. There you go. Mutual funds.
This is cool. See, this is exciting. I love it.
So only I can still only look up the symbols, so like it's not that much
Um,
different.
Hold on for a second. They should be able to give us a list. There got to be a way. There got to be a way, and this is part of the learning.
That's what I'm trying to figure out, but I'm not seeing anything.
Put man, put bright. Put the word bright, and then just yeah, okay, yeah, there you go. Bright house. So let's look at the first one, see what that amount is. These are some good ones. So that's 51. So we could do that one. So do bright again. I got bright financial. Let's look at bright.
Switch back to stocks.
Go. Yeah. Back to bright again. Let's see what else they have. So hold on for a second. So the bright financial, bright health. Go bright horizon family solution. See how much that is. 165. Okay, go back. Put bright back in.
To put back in mutual funds because it keeps switching.
Okay, I know what we do. Okay, put Vanguard in. Put Vanguard. There's a list, so this is good. So Vanguard. So
VOO and VTO. Yeah,
that you
I
got it.
remember seeing these when I was researching.
Okay, so just let's click on let's just look to see how the dollar amounts. We got to get something like that's only $50 some. So let's see what that one says. So that's
That's a
too
lot
much.
more than 50.
Yeah, yeah. So we just got to play with it and see what we come up with. This is great.
That is also a lot more than 50.
Yeah.
I mean, that first one that we looked at,
Yeah.
it says that there's $54 in the account, and that was 52.
Okay.
So
I thought it was
seems to be the
51.
only option so far.
Yeah. Well, we keep on searching. We got quite a few to look up. So this is the learning experience. This is really great. Then you get a chance to see what the different types of
Came
mutual
back to
funds are.
stocks.
Because you're gonna be the first one, and all of my students I'm working with to get a mutual fund. So you're making history.
I'm gonna try looking up Fidelity mutual fund. I can't remember mutual fund list. There you go. It's not like, wait, an account. I wanted there's an account. I want to see a list. This website sucks. Anyway,
I'm surprised they don't have a list.
It's probably a list, but we can't see it for some strange reason.
Oh, wait a minute. Names and research, news and research. Go to news and research. I don't see mutual funds. Oh, they're mutual funds. So click on mutual funds.
No, that's investment products. That's the thing that was like open an account before. I mean, we can check on the page. Maybe there's something we missed there.
No.
explore all funds, fund picks from Fidelity.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, yeah, so they got 361 funds.
Is there
So
one in particular I'm looking for?
let me see. Make your screen a little bit bigger for me. Okay, there you go. So so they got all assets, classes, mutual bonds, sector, taxable bonds. Can you scroll down a little bit more, see what happens?
That's the full list.
So go back up. So let's go all asset classes.
Okay, well, view.
Okay, so they
Trying to
got
find.
So they got technology. So mutual, so let's stop for a second. So mutual fund, again, what it is it's a conglomeration of different stock or different companies.
Yeah.
So again, it's a better safeguard for you compared to buying stock. You know, it can be both. Like I said, you want to have diverse portfolio. So they're giving the fund amount.
Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out like the price. You think this is the price here?
Let's see, go back up. Yeah, go back up.
Oh, minimum investment. There it is.
Yeah. So they got the Fidelity. Fidelity. Keep on scrolling down. We'll just keep on looking at them.
2,500.
Yeah. Let's do the 2,500.
That's minimum investment.
No, I just mess with you. Keep on going. This is great. See, this is the learning part. So we're both learning these tools. So hold up for a second. Fidelity, blue chip. So one of the ones that we may want to consider the blue chip. So your blue chip growth, and we want something growth because of your age. But blue chip growth is all the top. It's in the top 500 companies. So that may be a good stock. Might be a good mutual fund to get.
So it's like VOO. Isn't that how VOO works too?
Yeah. So keep on scrolling. We get to Janice Henderson. Got my last name. Wow.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the minimum investment is also 2,500.
Well, we'll get it. We'll get it. Keep on going. This is good. Goldman Sachs. Wow. Let's see. There's another zero. Fidelity. Okay. Keep on going. This is good.
Fidelity. One of the Fidelity ones might be what we have to do.
Yeah. Fidelity. Good. I like that one that was growth. That would look like that would be a good one. Keep on going.
Discovery.
And just keep Fidelity. Keep on going. We just keep on scrolling as we see them all. So there's another one. Fidelity. Okay. Keep on. This is good. Yeah, that Fidelity growth brokerage looked like that would be a good one. Keep on. This is all good. Man, this is exciting, man. Keep on. We'll just keep on scrolling down, see what we got. Yeah.
China region.
Mm-hmm. Got small growth. Large blend. Okay, keep on going. Wow, this is just so powerful. Mutual fund, multiple assets. Okay. Yep. Me keep on scrolling. Wow, this is just so phenomenal. And we're creating history because I don't know how many young people have, because most of the young people Seth has been focusing on stocks mainly. Nobody's gotten into the mutual funds. So again, you may be in that top, 1 to 2% that actually have the mutual fund.
I mean, a couple of the things that I was looking at for recommending like Vanguard. But I guess that's not a possible option for us.
What, because that one Vanguard, how much was it again?
One was like 400, the other was like 260.
But didn't they have one that was 50 something? The Vanguard?
No, that wasn't Vanguard. That was the Bright House one.
Okay, because Bright House is really good. Because my nephew, he has the Bright House, and he's they're doing really really well. Keep on going. This is good though. Gives us, and Fidelity is probably giving you more options because then because we're in their Fidelity account, so they want you to kind of stick with them. Okay,
Yeah.
keep on going. Wells Fargo, 1,000, yeah. T Rowe, wow, yeah. Keep on, yeah. So
No,
that's
there's 4 pages.
yeah. Well, this is all part of learning. We got a little time, so hit number 2. It's good to see them all. That's what this class is about: learning and see what we got. Yeah. So they got the total emerge market. So diversify. So that's diversified emerge. So that's more diversified. Okay, keep on going. They got real estate. So we can do real estate too one day. Wow. We don't want the income. Anything that's an income, that's more short term. But the real estate could be one thing we can consider. Keep on going. The freedom. What was the freedom?
I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Freedom is targeted base. I don't know what that is. Targeted base. Keep on. This is just phenomenal. I just love this. This is just so Morningstar. Oh, that Morningstar? No. T Rowe. Keep on. It's just showing you all the different ones that we got. Small cap. We don't want small cap. That's blended, small blended companies. Keep on. Yeah, just keep on going. Systematic allocation. Yeah, health. So they got health. They got mid cap. Yeah, so this is good. They give me a lot of options though. This is a lot of options, so this is really great. Keep on going. So they got financial. So you can do a financial industry, large value growth. Keep on going. And said that Henderson is overseas. Wow. Okay, keep on going. Yeah, keep on. You can scroll a little bit faster because we got a lot to go through. And just keep on scrolling. We'll just keep on running it through, see if we see anything that's different. Hold on for a second. Stop for a second. Not Fidelity. Keep on going. Yeah.
Puritan Fund.
Where's it at?
Puritan Fund. I just thought it was odd.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if that's a specific kind of thing or if it just means like the religion.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of Fidelity. Wow.
Well, it is the website after all. Oh, so it starts you at the bottom when you change the page, but it doesn't have something at the top for changing the page.
Number 3. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, this is good.
I mean, we'll probably have to do one of the Fidelity ones because all these
Yeah.
are like minimum investment 2,000.
Yeah, so let's go back up and do I want to do one more research. I want to go back. So let's get back where we can do research just in general.
Gotta move the screen share thing so I can click on it.
So again, let's do bright again. I want to look at that bright again. Okay, hit Q, do the first one.
Yeah, this is the one that we looked at that was actually in
So we could do that one.
Yeah.
Hold on for so click on Bright House Financial. Let's see what that says. Yep, so it's been kind of up and down, but it's going up. We went down, took a little dip. This is unbelievable, man. This is just great. So let's look at let's go back and do so we got Bright House Financial. Let's do Vanguard again. Let's do Vanguard. Let's do a search on Vanguard just to let's just click on a couple and just see what we got. So that one we can do 40. So let's click on Vanguard, see what that says. That's an index fund. So they talked about index funds too being good for young people to get index funds.
Hmm.
They don't have a graph. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's been going up too. So that's a good one.
Oh, that's so now I can ask him what the saving account is in.
Okay.
Hey, Dad. You know what the savings account is in?
For you, say, make sure it's for you.
You know what the savings account for me is in? Do you know what my savings account is in?
Where you have an account, I think is what you're asking.
Yeah, where? Capital One.
Oh, that's
apparently.
good. Capital One is good. Capital One is good. Okay, so remember Capital One. We got to put that in our tracker. So Capital One is good. Okay, that's good. So we got Fidelity, we got Vanguard, we got Bright House. So we got at least 3 different selections. And those are all good companies. I'm trying to think of another, let's see, hold on for a second. Let me do best mutual funds for teenagers. Look up Morningstar. See if we got anything for Morningstar. Morningstar says anything. So let's search on for Morningstar. Oh, there's
Yeah, I
Morningstar.
am.
Okay, yep.
I just click the top one.
Yeah. That's too much. Gotta find something that is in our ball game. Let's click on another Morningstar. Oh, they give the dollar amounts there. Okay, so we can see it on the side. So scroll on down so we can see them on the side because there's a 75.80. They close that. Gotta keep on. Click on the Morningstar growth. Let's see what that's doing. I see anything that is coming up.
Seems like it's still too much.
Yeah. Let's scroll down. I just want to see the chart right quick. Just out of curiosity. So that's doing pretty good though. So this is good. So let's see, slide number 1. We want to check to see what else they're saying for beginners, what stock to look at. Look up S&P 500. Let's look at the S&P. Yeah, we definitely don't want to miss out on that. See what the S&P. So put S&P 500.
Is that not it?
No, you got, and then you have to do the symbol.
I'm trying to do and it won't let me put in an and.
No, it won't let you put in the symbol in.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be in. It should be the symbol. The
Yeah,
and
the
symbol.
and symbol. It won't let me do that.
Okay, then just put in 500. See what it says.
Oh wait, there is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's it. That's it. That's it. Yep, this is good. This is good. All right, yeah, I'm loving it. How much is this? Let's see. It's not telling us, is it?
James, this is real-time index quote. I think this is something else.
So go back and do search again. There it is. Okay, there it is. No, that's iShare. I'm sorry. I'll just put in 500.
The top one is the one that we already tried clicking on.
Okay, so they got the Fidelity. So let's do the Fidelity index. Scroll on down.
Doesn't seem like there's much information about it, huh?
Yeah, but you can tell the company. Well, you can see the companies that are in there. So if you go back up, go back. It'll show you where the company that's in that fund. I guess go back down because I saw them. Keep on scrolling.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. So you get a chance to see so you can see that that's probably expensive to get that one because they got Apple, Microsoft, Amazon,
Yeah.
Facebook. Wow, this is pretty powerful. Yeah, it looks like it's $2,000 to get that one. So let's look up look up 500 value. Look up 500 value. Cause this and that's a beginner's, that's supposed to be a beginner's.
I don't know why that's not the same search. I'll try going back here. I don't see anything.
I think I put a space between 500 and value.
No, it deletes the space if you try to
Oh,
put
it
a
does?
space. Yeah.
Or just put value then. Let's see what it says when you put just value. Cause this should be. Let's see, no, Fidelity large cap. No, I share Russell. Keep on scrolling down. I'm looking for S&P, anything that's S&P.
Can't scroll down more.
Okay, let's, I really want S&P. Let me see what else they have on here. Let's see, they got 500. Let's see, next slide. Put in swab, see what happened when it says swab. So they're saying is, hold on, they're saying we need to look at the swab large cap. So you see anything that says swab large cap?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, there you go. Let's look at that one. This is supposed to be for beginners. Yeah, that's on your 60, so we don't want that one. Hold on for a second. Let me go back and see. The next one would be put on small caps on 600 small cap. I guess 600 small, I guess. Okay, so they said, hold on, make sure I got the right one. So they said 600 small cap value ETF. Oh, there it is. So it's the second one. It's the second one. I guess it could be either one of those. 135.
All of those are like 600 small cap.
Okay, let's see.
So
Yeah, let me see what else they got. Let's see. Put in First Trust.
in there.
You're really doing a really good job on this. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, let it go away.
And this is just so exciting. Hold on, I'm sorry. So it's, hold on. So First Trust small cap. Let's see.
Let's see it.
Let's click on solar just to see what's going on with solar. First solar up at the top. That's energy. Okay, so that's energy. Because that's supposed to start growing too. The energy. So anything that's doing with solar energy is supposed to be growing. Look up Vanguard total, or total stock, or Vanguard total.
It's not showing up. Does that mean, does it have the symbol wherever you're looking?
Let's see.
Because I
VTI.
feel like that
Okay,
would be
yeah,
the
okay, I see
better
what you're
way.
saying. Yeah, VTI. Yeah, do VTI. Okay, yeah,
I already
VTI.
looked at VTI. That's like 200.
Okay. Wow. And these are for beginners. Look up VXUS. We're not going to do that because that's international. But I was just curious. VXUS. That's not bad. That's 64. Let me see. There's not too many more left on here. Hold on. This is good though. I don't want to do bonds. Let's see. Targeted date retirement. No. Okay, hold on for 1 second. I just want to check something out. One more thing before we go ahead and start making a decision. 9 best stocks. Can interest until to get to starting with mutual funds. Invest in 5 mutual funds to get you started in Morningstar. 13 index stocks for young investors. Okay, this will be a good one. 13 for young investors.
Does it have a symbol? Oh wait,
Yeah.
that was that just a list.
Yeah, that's the list. Let's see. I'm trying to see something that's different. So those are all Vanguard and aggregated bonds. Shares. Look up ITOT. ITOT.
No, why did it go away?
Okay. That's 104. Let's see. Let's look up VT. VT. That's kind of interesting. That's world. That. Wow, that's 106. Man, this is interesting. All these recommendations though for young people, they're giving us higher stock. Let's look up just a couple more. Let's see. Look up MGC. Yes, okay, look up let's see, what was it? VIG, because that's dealing with dividends. So that would be interesting. Look up a dividend stock, see what they say. That's probably gonna be high. Okay, let's go ahead and look at making some decisions. So you got Fidelity, you have Vanguard, and you have
The only
Morningstar.
ones that we have enough. The only ones that we have enough for were just the Bright House and Fidelity ones.
Right. Oh yeah, those two. So didn't we have one for Morningstar? I thought we had one for Morningstar.
I think so.
Look up Morningstar again. I thought we had one for Morningstar.
Let's look at the top one. Oh yeah, that's outside price range.
Okay, yeah. So again, we have Fidelity and Bright House. So either one of those would be great to get. I guess we can go back in and just look at a little bit more detail and then select between the two. So let's go back to let's look at
Well, which Fidelity one would we do? Because there's like 100.
I would say let's look at Fidelity growth. We want to do some that's growth, but let's look at the Bright House first, and then we can go to the Fidelity. So let's scroll down and let's see what's all in this. So we got yeah, it's been going up and down on the average. Let's see earnings. Go back up to see if we can learn a little bit more history about it. Okay, profile. Let's look at go back down where it says keep on going there. Company profile. So make that a little bit bigger. I can't see. So let's read what the company profile says. Let's see. So you can read that. If you can read that.
Do you mean like out loud?
Yeah, because still can't see.
Okay.
I gotta get glasses.
Bright House Financial Inc. provides annuity and life insurance products in the United States. It operates through three segments: annuities, life, and runoff. The annuity segments offers variable, fixed, index linked, and the income annuities for contract holders' needs for protected wealth accumulation on a tax deferred basis, wealth transfer, and income security. The life segment provides term, universal, whole, and variable life policies for policyholders' needs for financial security and protected wealth transfer. The runoff segment manages structured settlements, pension risk transfer contracts, certain company-owned life insurance policies, funding agreements, and universal life with secondary guarantees. The company was founded in 2016 and is headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Yeah, so if we wanted to, so if you got that stock, we can drive to North Carolina and say, hey, we got part of your mutual fund. Let's go back up and let's see more. Let's see if we can see more about the stock itself, though. Let's see. Go back up. There was something about video, I thought.
Video? Oh, video.
Yeah, let's see what that said.
It seems this is stock research.
So hit on the video. See what it says. Oh, you know what? I'm with it. You got to, I think you're gonna have to, I can't hear it, but that's okay. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
So I can't hear. I think you got to go back in and click on that one button, but that's okay.
There's a specific button for it on Zoom. Hang on. Computer audio on, I guess.
Yeah, you got to go back. You got to stop sharing and go back in and do the share. There's a little box that you have to click on.
Share sound.
You may
hear
look
it
for
now?
Yeah,
quick,
there you go.
high-level,
Yep.
or you may be interested in digging deep into the details. Either way, our stock research is designed with you in mind and provides relevant data points you need all in one place to help you make educated and appropriate investment decisions. Let's take a closer look and get familiar with the experience. For illustrative purposes, we'll begin with the symbol in context and review the details of the quote. You have access to even more quote information. To quickly conduct research on any positions in your portfolio, simply select the ticker search box and a list of your positions will display. You can even get your holdings information without leaving the research page. Leave the sticky notes behind. Capture and organize all of your investing ideas in the notebook. Moving along, at a glance, see the equity summary score by Thomson Reuters StarMine. Where does this stock fall in the range of very bullish to very bearish? Is the stock expected to pay a dividend? How does the dividend yield of the individual stock compare to the market median? Easily see if the stock beat, met, or missed earnings expectations over the past 3 quarters. Then you can use the calculator to model a stock's implied price based on its price-to-earnings ratio. Quickly review a number of key metrics and evaluate how the stock compares to its top competitors. Need more information? As with any of the sections, click the More link or the heading for a deeper dive.
Okay, we can get out of that. We're good.
Overview link to get back to the main page.
Then we go back to
What's the feeling about a stock on social media?
Bright House.
This innovative feature synthesizes online posts and converts them into a single dynamic sentiment score ranging from -4.
So make it bigger. So let's see. Go back up. Let's see what else we want to look at. Brief Bright House Financial announcement.
I think this is a stock. I think this is in a mutual fund.
Yeah, mutual fund. Yeah,
Yeah,
we want a
stock.
mutual fund. Yeah, this is mutual fund.
No, this is a stock. See, it's a stock. This isn't
Oh.
a mutual fund.
Okay, we need to go back then to mutual funds.
It's fixed income. That's not what I meant to click on. Expected stocks. Oh, you know what? I think I've figured out why it kept taking us to stocks. It's because this Bright House is a stock. This is not a mutual fund.
Okay, so let's just do Fidelity then.
Well, we have to figure out which one of the Fidelity ones to use.
I'll do the Fidelity 500 index fund. That may be too much though. Yeah,
It's too much.
do Fidelity. It should be a growth one that we were looking at.
Here, I'll look back on the list.
Yeah.
I don't even remember where that is. It's this tab. Okay, so matching Fidelity funds, I guess. 186,
So we want to look for the one that says growth.
57. I think there's
Yeah,
54,
that's
not
it.
57. We don't have enough for that one. 72.
Yeah, let's just find one. Was there one that's for 40?
That's a worldwide fund.
That'd be a good one too. Was the 51? What about the 5172?
It's China region.
No, we don't want to do that. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Yeah. If you see anything that says 50, anything
50,
that says,
64.
how much is it?
50, 64.
Let's look at that one. So that's stock. That's a mid cap. So mid cap is not too bad. I like to have growth, but mid cap. Yeah, that's been doing good. So who's in mid cap? Let's see. Fund manager. So here's the companies. Curtis Wright Corporation. Bangkok is a good company. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's see what else we have. We want to look at a couple other ones that have
Growth and income portfolio.
Yeah, look, I don't like when it says income because normally yeah, growth and income, that may be good. Yeah, let's look at that one. Yeah. Who's it? Okay, this is good because they got Wells. Okay, this is a good one. So this one got Microsoft, General Electric, Wells Fargo. I think this might be a good one.
All right.
How do you feel about it?
It seems fine.
Or you want to look at some more?
They're familiar companies, I guess.
Yep.
Portfolio manager Q&A, sure. Let's put that, I guess.
Yep, that'd be good. To gain 41.1% at the close.
Yeah.
Wells Fargo, I said we're seeing, it's pretty diversified, and like they got Microsoft and all that in there. So
I mean, yeah, sounds fine.
okay, let's go back up. Let's see what we can do. Let's try this one. So hold on for a second. Hold on for a second. 1 second. I want to do something. Okay, then scroll down some more. I want to see, I'm going to see all the companies again. Yeah, there you go. Hold on for a second. No, I missed it. Where did it go where we show Microsoft and all that? Go
Right
back
there.
down. Oh, there it is. Okay, hold on for a second. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, that's what I want. Well, also it had so it had the name, well, it had that, but also it had just a list of the names too. Where did it, I mean, where it's spelled out? Well, this is okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's the screen I want. Yeah, right there. Hold on for a second. That's what I wanted. So this is good. This is good. I love this. This is absolutely amazing what you're doing. Hold on, what's going on my screen? Okay, go back up for one more second. Yeah, let's go back up. Okay, and then we'll get started. So go all the way up. I don't know why that starts. Yeah, there you go. So this is Fidelity Growth Stock. And then go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. I just want to capture this as continuous. So keep on going. So large value. This is good. This is good. This is good. Keep on going. And then when you show where you show the symbols, go back to that screen where you had the symbols. That was, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. That's good. So now let's go ahead and buy. So let's go back up and we can buy. This is exciting. This is exciting. Hold on for a second. Yep, there you go. Okay, hold on for a second. And this is off the chain.
I'm pretty sure it said that there was 54 in the account, but let me check just to make sure.
Yeah.
Let's see. Balances, I guess. Okay, I should be able to
Yeah,
trade
hold on.
54.
Yep, hold on for a
Okay.
second. Hold on. So we'll have a little bit of money left over. Okay, go ahead. You go back. We can go ahead and buy. Place order. Hold on for a second.
Well, I think it's in, I guess.
Hold on for 1 second. Okay, so it says, what did it say? Manage order view process.
There's an order placed.
Okay, go ahead. And did it do it? Order receipt. So we're
Yeah,
done.
yeah,
Yeah, it's done. We're done. Congratulations, Seth. So let's go back and look. Let's go back and look at your account overall. See where we're at. See that. Make sure that it's subtracted everything out. This is exciting.
Oh wait, it's the second at my account now. That happened. I don't know how that happened. I'm just going to ignore it though. It seems like it went down, so I figure something happened.
Yep. Hold on for a second. Yeah.
What is in there?
Is in there?
It wasn't in there. I think it hasn't finished yet.
Yeah, probably gotta be a day. Order. Oh, there it is. Hold on for a second. Hold on for a second. Okay. Wow, this is unbelievable. So yeah, got to go back through. Okay, we just gotta wait. It's, I guess it's pending transaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna take probably till tomorrow to go through. Okay, this is great. Go back to your, go back to where it says this, it says it's $77. So we'll go back where it's, see where it, yeah, there's, so, yeah. So education account. Yep, so we just gotta wait to, click on positions.
Yeah, it wasn't there when I checked before.
Okay, then go back up, do balance. So it's showing, yeah, so this is good. So it's just, hold on for 1 second. It's,
It says committed to open orders, so I assume that means that's what's still going through.
yeah, that's a really good, that is really good. Then click on activity and orders.
Yeah, it was there when we checked before.
Yep, that's what we're back to for. Okay, go back to balances again. I want you to scroll down for a second. No, yeah, go back. Yeah, what did that say? Details. I'm just curious. So so hit details. Okay, there you go. And this is great. Okay, this is great. You can click on out of that. You remarkable. I'm so proud of you, man. I'm just so proud of you. This is great. So did it tell us, go back? I just want to make sure that we can see. So go back to activity and orders one more time. I want to see, make sure it had the name on there. Did it have the name on there? By we don't tell, what just gives us this. Click on what says buy 5189.
I didn't see that.
Down where it says description. Yeah, there you go. There. So what kind of, so I want you to remember the name the name of your mutual fund that you got to remember is, or you can always go back to your account. But if I was to ask you, said, without going back to Fidelity, your Fidelity account, what is the name of your mutual fund? You should be able to tell me that. So Fidelity Growth and Income. Right. Yeah, that's, oh man. Oh, I wish your dad and mom was here, man, to see that. Okay, I'm done.
I mean, they are.
Uh-huh.
They are. I don't think they're looking, but they're here.
Are they there? Did you tell them that you got a mutual fund now?
I have a mutual fund now.
Good.
She said good.
Tell us it's Fidelity Growth and Income. Fidelity Growth
and Income.
Yeah, so you got cash, man. This is great. Okay, so we can come on out of this. So well, no, let's go back to the products. So we got the products. So we got the mutual fund. We got the stocks, and then we said Capital One. But let's go back into we're just list the products. Are the products?
You mean like the list?
Yeah, the list. Yeah.
Here.
No, just in general, the products in general. We'll show you all the different types of Fidelity products. So go, yeah, count. I think it's under. No, not that. It's the one that's going to tell us what the different types of products that we can purchase.
Oh. So this.
Yeah. So we got mutual funds. So the next thing we got to try to do, we need to get a bond. So So that's the next thing we need to work on is a bond. So you got the mutual fund. So we need to we'll wait a few more weeks before I talk to your mom and dad about put some extra money in so you can get a bond. So getting a bond, it'd be good to look at. And maybe what we'll do, let's
Okay.
see, let's do this for one quick second, because I want to see what the difference in their bonds, because we may have to go to Treasury. So the Treasury, so you can get a Treasury bond for 25, I think for $25. And then that'll be it'll become a $50 bond, or you can get a $50 bond for 25. But I want to see their bond list. So I want to see their bond list to see what their pricing is. And you got to make that a little bit larger so we can see. So we can see what kind of pricing they got when we'll close on that, just looking at that list. I need to be a little bit bigger. I can't see. Can you make it a little bit bigger? Okay, let's see. Do we see price? Yield.
Price there.
Okay, so do we see anything? So what does that say? 89 or 99? Okay, keep on scrolling down. So it looked like we can buy United States Treasury bond. So hold up for a second. Go back up. Is United States Treasury bond was 0?
They're all like 100 though.
Okay, keep on. Let's see. Look at the one that says United States Treasury bond. It has a dash in it.
These two both have a dash.
Yeah, let's look at both of them. This one that where it says price. It has the price on the other side. I'm sorry. I see what it says price. Minimum. Keep on scrolling down. We're gonna see 100, 100, 100, 100, 100,
100.
Yeah.
Seems like they're all 100.
So we're probably going to go through the Treasury. We can get some lower than that. The Treasury.
Oh wait, I saw some 70s, but there's also some 140s. So it's down to 60, 50. Lowest is 55.
You're doing 55? Okay, let's look at that one. Yeah, so it'd probably be better for us if we can stay within. Then let's look at the other one. There was another one. There was a second one that was 50 something.
56, 55.
Okay. And let's look at that third one. So we know we can stay within the system if you know we want to go throughout the Treasury bond. I mean, go to the Treasury. So, okay. So we got some stuff that we can look at. We'll wait a little bit longer, give it a couple weeks. So next week, we'll go ahead and fill in the tracking system. So we know that we got Capital One. We know that we got Fidelity, growth and income. And then we know that we got your list of stocks that we got. So we got those 3 things. So we'll put that, we'll make sure that we document that because we want to keep track of all this. And then also, you said you wanted to go into engineering, right? Or you're thinking about engineering?
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a presentation next week on some things that you want to consider from an engineering standpoint, some opportunities there. And even, because again, it's good to plan for it. There's some camps, summer camps that may interest you that's dealing with engineering that we can begin to talk about. It's for high school students that we can look at and then eventually talk to your mom and dad, says there's something that you want to do or not. I actually went to Notre Dame for this summer camp when I was in high school. Just phenomenal. It was just unbelievable. I think Georgia Tech has one, but we'll look at the list. There's a list. I got a list of all of them, and we can talk about that. Just planning for, just talking about if you're really interested in that, just get a feel for that. Okay. great day, man. This is, you made history. You made history today. Phenomenal. You made history. Like I said, I think you're probably one of the few young people out there that actually have a mutual fund, and then you say mutual fund, stock, and then also a bank account. Phenomenal. We get the bond. Oh man, you're really putting yourself in a whole different class, and we'll keep on chopping at it. Anything on your side?
What do you mean by that?
Anything else left? Any comments or anything? How you feel?
No.
Okay. Well, you have a great day. This has been a great experience. Man, I'm just overjoyed. Oh man, you just crashed it, man, or crushed it. Not crashed, I guess crushed it. I guess that's what they say. So you enjoy your weekend. We'll be meeting on Monday. Okay.
All right.
Same time, same bat channel, as they say in Batman and Robin. So I'll send you a link for us to jump on a Zoom, and we'll, like I said, talk about the engineering part, and then if we have enough time, we'll get back to the investment side, and we'll continue to move forward. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Again, congratulations. If you get a chance this weekend, go ahead and show your parents, where you bought the stock if you get a chance. They'll just, take about 5 minutes just to, log in and just show it to them that you bought it. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thanks. Tell them I said hello.
All right.
Okay. Bye.
Have a good day.
Yep.
I
You too.
suppose.
Yep.
Bye.
Sure do. Okay. Bye-bye.